Section 2.7 is about solving rational equations. So we're going to start out with a simple example and follow the directions that the book gives us for solving a rational equation. Then the next example that I'm going to do, I'll use a different method that I think many of you were taught by a previous algebra teacher. Okay, so we're going to solve number 1 on page 232. So we have x minus 2 over 3 plus x plus 5 over 3, and that's going to equal 1/3. Now, for all of these, a good way to start is to find the domain, or at least find the values that have to be excluded from the domain. So in this case, even though it's a rational equation and it has a denominator, the denominator is always 3, so that we don't have to worry about any excluded values. The next thing we're supposed to do is think about what the least common denominator is. And in this case, it's already done for us, and it's 3. So the book suggests at this point to eliminate the denominator by multiplying the entire fraction by the least common denominator. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply 3 times x minus 2 over 3. And then I'm going to multiply 3 times x plus 5 over 3. And then I'm going to multiply 1/3 times 3. So by doing so, I eliminate the fractions altogether, and I'm left with x minus 2 plus x plus 5 equals 1. Now this becomes a simple algebraic equation to solve. So 2x plus 3 equals 1. 2x equals negative 2. X equals negative 1. And that's our solution.